Let's take a peek at replacing the trunk switch on this 2001 Dodge Intrepid. Now this is going to be a relatively savage approach, but it's not too bad. And if you look at the new switch, there's just a couple arrow tabs that are flexible that we're going to be fighting against. So I'm going to take my 90-degree pick tool and just pry and pop this old unit out of there. Once I get that out, I can release the electrical connector. I'm going to plug in my new switch and I'll pop it into place, and just like that, the job is done. You can see this took less than 30 seconds to pop that out, and we've now popped the new trunk with our new trunk release switch. It really is that easy.